Good morning, my dear. We complete lesson 1, real number. Today we discuss chapter 2, polynomials. Clear? Then in polynomials in our schedule, day 10, part 1. Clear? Then in polynomial we discuss algebraic expression or combination. Algebraic expression or combination. In algebraic expression and combination, it is combination of numeral and literal. Numeral and literal. Numerals. Then first of all, we know what is the numerals. Numerals is a number, real number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 7 by 2, 1 whole 1 by 2, all are the numerals. Clear? And then after literal. Literals means it is normal alphabets like A, B, C, D and X, Y, Z. Clear? When numeral and literals, numbers and letters combining together with any suitable sign, it is called the algebraic expression or combination. Clear? Everyone understood? Numeral means numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, and literal means letter, alphabets A, B, C, D and X, Y, Z. When numbers and letters combining together, when numbers like 2 and letter X are combining together, then it is called the algebraic combination. It is combined like 2 minus x, 2 divided by x, or 2 plus x. Here number and letter combine with plus sign, number and letter combine with multiplication sign, number and letter combine with minus sign, and number and letter are combined with division sign. It means when numbers and letters are combined any suitable sign, it is called the algebraic expression or combination. Is that clear? Then here 3x square minus 5 upon x plus 6 is a algebraic expression or combination, because here numbers and letters are combining together, then we got the algebraic expression. Then after polynomial. See, each algebraic expression are not the polynomial. Clear? Each algebraic expression are not the polynomial. In the polynomial, the power of variable, is only positive integers. It means an special type of algebraic combination or expression in which the power of variable means letter, which only positive integer is called the polynomial. Then what is the mean of the power of variable is only positive integer? It means if the variable is in denominator, then this algebraic expression is not a polynomial. then you see here x is in the denominator. That's why this algebraic expression is not a polynomial. In the same way, the variable is in root, either it is square root or cube root. That means if 2 under root x plus 3, in this algebraic expression here you see x is in the root, that's why it is not a polynomial, it is only an algebraic expression or combination. Then if variable is in root, then it is not a polynomial. In the same way, if the power of variable be negative or fraction or fractional or decimal, in this case it is also not a polynomial. See, what is the meaning of this? The power of variable be negative integer, like 2x minus 3 plus 5x. Clear? Then it is not a polynomial, because here the polynomial in x, this algebraic combination in x and their power is minus 3. That's why it is not a polynomial, it is algebraic combination or expression. Here that means negative power. Why it is not the polynomial? Because here the power of variable x is negative. In the same way, 3x to the power 3 upon 5 minus 6. It is an algebraic expression but not a polynomial. Why not a polynomial? Because the power of x is fractional. In the same way, 1 upon 5 x to the power 3.25 plus 7x. It is also not a polynomial, it is only an algebraic combination, because power of x is decimal. Is that clear? Then the polynomial, if you define the polynomial, then you can define polynomial is a special type of algebraic expression in which the power of variable is only positive integer. Like the power of variable is only positive integer, like 2x plus 3. Here power of variable is no any power given, then there is power 1. Then it is positive integer, that's why it is a polynomial. In the same, 3x square plus 5x plus 6, it is a polynomial because each x have the positive power. See, if in the algebraic combination is given in pairs and asked in the question 2x square plus 3y to the power minus 5, and it is asked it is polynomial or not. Clear? Then you say it is not polynomial. Why? Because you see in the definition the power of variable is, if negative, then it is not the polynomial. But this algebraic expression is in variable x. Clear? Then we can check the power of only x. Here the power, the y is behave like a constant because this algebraic combination given in the variable x. That's why we can behave y as a constant term. Then constant term have negative power in the root and the fraction, no matter. Clear? That's why it is a polynomial. Is that clear? Then if I think everyone defined the polynomial. Then after we discuss the term. Term, an algebraic combination is in between two term, two sign. You say there is one term between, or you say in between two sign, and sign must be plus or minus. It means here 2x, clear, it is one term because here sign 2 into x, and term are not signified with the multiplication sign, clear. Then it is one term. Suppose 2 plus x, then in between two sign, you know that if no one sign are seen before any number, then you consider as a plus. Then here plus and plus, then in between two sign there is one term, and sign must be plus or minus, then both are the plus. In the same, if 3y is given, then in between two sign there is one term and sign must be plus or minus, then one term and one term, clear. Then I think you can signify the term, define the term. There is one term in between two sign, and sign must be plus and minus. It means you definitely say the term are not signified with the help of multiplication and division sign. Like 2 into x, it is only one term, it is 2x. X divided by 2, then it is one term. Or 2 divided by x, it is one term, not two term. That means the term are signified with the plus or minus sign only. Then after we discuss according to term, type of polynomial, according to term type of polynomial, then it means on the behalf of term type of polynomial. Suppose if any polynomial have one term, two term, three term, four term, five term, then what is their particular name? Then first monomial, second binomial, third one trinomial, fourth one quadrinomial, then after pentanomial, heptanomial, hexanomial, and so on. Except monomial, you say all are the polynomial, means more than one term, then called this is the polynomial. Then one by one we can discuss. Then first monomial, a polynomial having one term, like 2xy is a monomial because it has only one term, clear. In the same way 3 upon 5 x to the power 35, it is a monomial because it has only one term. Is that clear? Then standard form of the monomial is equal to px is equal to ax. Here a is the real number and x is the variable. Real number means a behave like the constant and x behave like the variable. In the same way, binomial. A polynomial having two terms. If you define the monomial, means one term is called the monomial, and binomial means a polynomial having two terms. Clear? Then 2 plus x square is binomial because it has two terms. In the same way, 1 upon 3 x y plus 6 minus 6. There is one term and another term. Then it has two terms. Then it is called binomial. And standard form of the binomial is ax plus b. Then after, trinomial. A polynomial has three terms. Clear? A polynomial has three terms is called the trinomial. And like 1 plus x minus y, there are three terms, that's why it is the trinomial. 3x square plus 5y to the power 7 minus 3, it has also trinomial because it has three terms. Then standard form of the trinomial is ax plus by plus c. It is the standard form of the trinomial. In the same way, quadrinomial. Quadrinomial means a polynomial having four terms. A polynomial having four terms is called the quadrinomial. It means 3 minus 5x square plus 6x minus 7y. Then you see one term, second term, third term, fourth term. Then it is called the quadrinomial. And the standard form of the quadrinomial is ax plus by plus cz plus d is the standard form of the quadrinomial. See, in the standard form we can use only the positive sign, and if you see any negative sign, then negative sign are converted in the positive sign. Like suppose 3 minus x, then it is written 3 plus minus x. Clear? Then in the standard form it will be only plus sign. Clear? Then after we can discuss the degree. Degree of polynomials. Degree of the polynomial means any polynomial, the highest power in any given polynomial, the highest power of particular variable is called degree of the polynomial. Highest power of variable is called degree of the polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Clear? Suppose here px is equal to 3x square plus 5x to the power 6 plus 7x to the power 8. Clear? Then this polynomial is in variable x because here x are given. Then we check what is the highest power. Then you see here the power of x is 2, power of x is 6, power of x is 8. Then highest power is 8. Then degree of this polynomial is degree of the polynomial is equal to 8, or simply it is called 8 degree polynomial. Clear? In the same way, suppose px 3x square plus 7x cube minus 5y to the power 9. Clear? Then see, px is equal to 3x square plus 7x cube minus 5y to the power 9. And it asks the question, what is the degree of the polynomial? Then first of all, you check what is the variable of the polynomial. Clear? Then in this polynomial, variable is x. Then you can check only the power of x. Here, the power of x, highest power of x is 3. Clear? Then this polynomial of degree 3. Why 3? Because polynomial in variable x. But here y to the power 9 is the highest. But this is behave like a constant. Is that clear? Then after behalf of the degree, we can classify the polynomial according to degree, type of polynomial. I think no one have any doubt in degree. The highest power of the given variable is called the degree. Clear? Suppose if any polynomial, the power of variable are not given, means the power of variable is 0. Like px is equal to ax to the power 0. Clear? Then it is called constant polynomial, or it is simply written px is equal to a, or simply written it is px is equal to 135. It is called the constant polynomial. Then first is the constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is 0. Here, degree of the polynomial is 0. It means you know that if any value have their power is 0, that is 1. X to the power 0 means 1. Then